President's Club members are really dedicated to the charter of this institution and to the visionary leadership of the president. They not only give their treasure, but they give their time and their talent in many ways. Not only are they members of the President's Club, but they support other aspects of the university. So they're just well-rounded champions of the vision of ASU.
The President's Club here needs to focus on ASU, 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 and what we can do for the people of Arizona, what we can do to be a greater university for the United States and the success of our country. And that's what I'd really like to see in terms of our focus, in terms of innovation and where the President's Club is headed.
I think ASU, President's Club, is completely dedicated to philanthropy and really at a large level just increasing the health and access to health of our communities as a whole. And so makes me think about philanthropy specifically in a way that a public university can really drive change in the communities and regions around it.
It's very broad and it covers so many different things the President's Club does. When you give to the President's Club, you give to the entire university. You feel positive that you're contributing globally to the university.
What I have always found really sets the President's Club apart is that it's for Dr. Crow and it's for his leadership team, because the ideas that they have to advance education for our students in a variety of different ways, right? I mean, like, who would think that you could study oceanography in the middle of the desert? What I have learned is that the President's Club has allowed the president and his leadership team to have the freedom and the flexibility to investigate what these potential innovations are and do they make sense for the university.
Specific things that the President's Club has been thinking about is these immersive experiences with students, and how we can drive access and learning around education in ways that just haven't been present before. So their collaboration with Dreamscape, ASU really looking at innovative ed tech companies through ASU GSV, and just how they want to embrace access. And access is obviously the big driver behind the charter, in creating access to education and personalized learning experiences across the entire ASU ecosystem is phenomenal.
Over the 40 years, the President's Club investors have been phenomenal to this institution. Collectively, over that 40-year period, they've given $1.1 billion. The statistics are astonishing of what they've been able to do. Each year, those dollars allow the president to direct it to areas of need: seed funding for new programs, seed funding for new partnerships. All aspects of this university has been touched by the support of President's Club members.
My dad and mom showed me the spirit of giving early in life, and so it's just been ingrained in me, and you back things that you believe in, and Arizona State University is definitely one of those great causes that I believe in.
I would love to thank each and every President's Club member for what they've done to advance Arizona State University. We are deeply grateful for all that you have done.
I have been part of the Alumni Association for many, many years, so I have been part of Founders Day. Well, I understand firsthand what a big deal it is for the President's Club to be named and recognized Philanthropist of the Year. Congratulations to everyone that's involved behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, leading the scenes of the President's Club on being named Philanthropist of the Year.